Okay, I'm right here, right on the banks of the Tennessee River, on private property, and I got permission to be down here. But I've been picking up a lot of flint. The hell, it is here. And what I'm looking for today is maybe a point or two. Let's see here. A piece of flint. Let's see. Piece of flint. Piece of flint. I might keep this piece of flint. It's been worked good. Here's another little piece. Yeah, it's very interesting hunting these things, because you never know what you might find. You never do know. Whoa, 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 I see a piece of flint here. Here we go. What we got right here? Oh, yeah. Arrowhead. It's a good one, too. Pretty good one. Let's look around here, because usually when there's more than one, usually they are. Let's look around here. Let's see. See if anybody can see anything else. Well, looks like we can't find nothing else. Let's see, that's a leaf. Whoa, what we got right here? Huh. Whoa. Well, I'll be damned. Look right there. Straight arrowhead. Straight arrowhead, guys. Well, let's go back to hunting our artifacts. Got a few points, and I'll get back at y'all.